Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore backlink profile health with Ahrefs Disavow tool step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. Click on the Backlink Profile section. Review the list of backlinks pointing to your site. Identify low-quality or toxic backlinks that may harm your SEO. Use the filtered option to focus on backlinks by type, domain rating, or other metrics. Export this filtered list to a CSV file for further analysis. Open the CSV file in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Review each backlink carefully to determine if it poses a risk. Take note of any links you want to disavow. Go back to Ahrefs and select the Disavow tool from the menu. Click on Create New Disavow File. Add the URLs or domains of the links you want to disavow. Ensure that each entry is on a new line in the disavow file. Double-check your disavow entries for accuracy. Once satisfied, download the disavow file as a text document. Go to Google Search Console and log into your account. Navigate to the Disavow Links tool. Select the site for which you want to submit the disavow file. Upload the text document you created in Ahrefs. Submit the disavow file to confirm the action. Wait for Google to process your disavow request. Monitor your backlink profile periodically to check for changes. Continue to analyze your website's SEO performance after disavowing links. Adjust your disavow strategy as necessary for ongoing backlink profile health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.